Poco F1 original replacement battery price might have gone down. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchy here, back with another video, and just wanted to let my Poco F1 peeps know that the battery price for the original battery at the Me service centers might have gone down. Now, if you go ahead and go check online, you will notice that the price is still mentioned as 4,999 Indian rupees, and to this you have to add your service charge, taxes, and stuff. So, yes, online it will still show you as 4,999, but there have been people, my viewers, who have been commenting on my videos that they got the battery replaced and it was around 1300 or 1400 Indian rupees after your taxes, service charge, all those things. And somebody on the Poco F1 Telegram group also posted a picture of their receipt showing that the battery price might have actually gone down. Now, what would I do if I were you? I would not call the customer care or check online. I would walk into the Me service center and ask them the price, because the customer care, we already know how good Poco's customer care is. So, best is to walk into the service center, go in there physically with your phone and tell them that you need a replacement battery for your Poco F1 and see what is the price they tell you. And why am I making this video? Because Poco F1 is old enough and almost every day I get a comment that my phone is randomly shutting down or it is not charging properly, and people think it is the ROM, it is the software. Well, the device has gone old, the battery life has gone down, the battery might have degraded to a point wherein it is useless. And some of you, once you see the price as 5,000 Indian rupees online, you decide not to go. So, which is why the price might have gone down, they just haven't updated it online. Go to the service center physically, check the price, and if it is what it is, like around 1300 Indian rupees after your taxes and service charge, I think that is a good enough price, and now would be the right time to change the battery on your Poco F1 if you want to use it for the next few years. Do not wait for another price hike. Take this opportunity to get a brand new battery for your Poco F1 and extend the life of the beast of a device which you already own. And that will do it for this small video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.